Hello everyone, hope you all are well. So I'm here with another recipe. I named this recipe Victoria because of the beautiful red color and the taste as well. This is going to be unique because it has chili in it. So let's start. First we are making Manjari chocolate mousse and we have whipping cream, two quantities, gelatin mass and some milk, and then Manjari chocolate. If you don't have it, replace it with another type of dark chocolate. The purpose of using this chocolate is just it gives a fruity taste. And then we have one more whipping cream, which is for cooking the mousse, and some chopped cherries. So let's begin with first part of recipe. We are making mousse, so we are going to cook our liquids first, which is cream and milk. And I will just give a little bit of boil, and then I will introduce gelatin in it. Once it gets nicely boiled, I will add chocolate and leave it aside for 1 minute. That's it. Now meanwhile I will whip the other big part of whipping cream to the soft peaks. Okay, and once it's cooled down to 40 degrees Celsius, I will mix both the things together. Here I go. I am mixing both the ingredients to achieve mousse. And it's a very light and airy mousse. And now I will add chopped cherries in it, and I will keep it aside and work with another part of recipe, that is chili cherry compote. So we have chili in it and it's very interesting. I'm using paprika powder. Let's mix sugar and pectin together first, and I will cook chopped cherries with cherry puree. Let it little bit soft, and then I will add a paprika powder in it. And lastly, sugar and pectin slowly. And with sugar, it will release little bit moisture of the fruit. After that, I will just put it in a frame or anything flat and keep it aside for assembling. Okay, here it goes. Let it cool down a bit, and then we will assemble it. That's it. Okay, now it's time for assembly. So first I'm going to put the mousse layer. Okay, and then I will try to cover the mold's corner with a small tool. You can use the spoon as well. And then I will put the cutter of this set, and in the middle I will put the compote. Okay, and that's it. The third one, this is a very interesting recipe because chocolate and chili is a very good combination actually. I will put the mousse on top and I will close it down, and then I will put overnight into the freezer. Okay, now for the decoration, we are making microwave chili sponge, and you can see all the ingredients in the description box. Okay, it's a very simple recipe. So I'm just going to add all the dry ingredients together, and I'm going to whip sugar and egg together. And now I will introduce the dry ingredients. I will keep it aside, and I will put this sponge mixture in nitrous oxide machine, and I will simply load all my mixer, and then I will put one cartridge in it. I will upload it. Okay, shake it, and then I will use this. It will give a very nice airy sponge which will actually looks good to the eyes. The taste is not very good, but since we didn't put any kind of a sponge in the recipe, so I'm just going to put it, you know, as a additional stuff, and also it will look nice. So I will put this in the microwave and see how it looks. Okay, now it's time to glaze. So I'm going to glaze the eclairs, the fingers eclairs. Okay, and the chocolate sable and the glaze recipe is available in the description box. Now I'm just going to put this on the sable. It is going to rest on sable, and that's it. The recipe is very easy but very interesting, and you can see just because of the cartridge, the sponge texture is very nice. I'm going to put some chocolate curls on top, and then I will put some fresh cherries, and that's it. And I'm sure that you will try this recipe. If you are a chili lover like me, I always try to find something new. So here it goes. You can see how beautiful it looks, and you will try this recipe and let me know how you like it. And for future recipes, you can simply like and subscribe my channel and turn the bell button on for the notification. See you. Ciao. Bye bye.